More software engineering job, international company, Linux plus open source culture, and freshers can apply. Today we are covering the complete canonical build software engineer hiring process, required skills, eligibility, interview rounds, salary expectations, and how to apply step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are covering the latest thing opportunity from Canonical for the role of graduate software engineer. Canonical is the company famous Ubuntu operating system and works heavily in cloud computing, DevOps, open source software, Kubernetes, AI infrastructure, and Linux-based enterprise solutions. The best part is many roles are fully remote, meaning you can work from home while contributing to global software projects. Candidates from BTech, MCA, MTech, computer science, or branches can apply. Freshers and early career developers are eligible depending on the role requirements. As a graduate software engineer across a Linux Canonical Ubuntu role, you can apply. These are the essential requirements you can see and read. Link is pasted in the description. You can go through. There is a link to apply. First name, your name, email ID, mobile number, and resume you can choose. During this application process, I agree to use only my own words. I understand that parallels and the use of AI or other generated content will disqualify by application. Please confirm that your first university degree, bachelor of degree, undergraduate completed or is expected to complete in 2025-2026. Describe your experience with Linux or open source. Describe your best personal software project outside of curriculum or work. You can also paste your resume projects in this. Describe any significant leadership or organizational team responsibility that you took on during your education. Select Ubuntu desktop or server or core. Which programming language do you feel most confident using? Then comes to how did you perform in mathematics at high school? Top 10, top 50 or top 5 at school. Okay. How did you perform in your native language at high school? Top 10 in the school. Please share your rationale or evidence for the high school performance selection above. Make reference to provisional, state or national-wide scoring system rankings or recognition awards or to competitive or selective college entrance results such as SET, ACT scores, JMB. What was your business university degree result? Website, you can also paste your link, LinkedIn profile link. In which country do you currently work? You can also mention your other country. We require all colleagues to meet in person 2 to 4 times a year at internal company events lasting between 1 to 2 weeks. We try to pick a new interesting location that will likely require international travel and entry requirement post. Are you willing to able to commit to this? In the past 10 years, looking only at the time since you graduated your first undergraduate degree, how many companies have you worked for? Please confirm that you have read and agree to Okay. Which gender do you identify as? Please indicate your nationality. Indian. Okay. This information is being requested to help us maintain equal opportunities best. Now you can submit the application. Skills required for this: Python programming, Linux basics, GitHubs, networking fundamentals, APIs and backend concept, cloud and DevOps basics, and bonus skill include Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, Bash scripting, React or front-end basics. Important requirements are strong communication skills, self-learning ability, remote work, discipline, open source contribution mindset, and analytical thinking. And many applications they may also ask academic scores, GitHub file projects, and etc. were there. So your application is submitted. If you want the link, it is in the description, or if you want any other requirement, you can comment on the below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just like and subscribe, please.